Greetings, my name is Robin Behar. I'm a financial consultant to multimillionaires. Today, I invite you to listen to a radio interview granted by my brother Larry J. Behar, a world-renowned EB-5 expert and U.S. immigration attorney. The topic of this third interview highlight is an explanation of the procedure that is required in order to obtain an EB-5 visa. The interview was broadcast worldwide on the Money and Business Show hosted by financial celebrity interviewer Samuel Izerzer from Montreal, Canada.
Help a lot of multinational companies and individuals in family reunification, a lot of professionals who want to work temporarily or permanently in the U.S., people who are being sponsored by U.S. companies, things of that nature.
Is it easy to get a visa now to the U.S.? Is it easier? Or I mean, I know we're not talking about the... Oh, it's much harder?
Yes. Today, with the unemployment situation that kind of caught the United States flat-footed, the ability to be able to apply for and obtain a work visa or permanent residency in the United States is significantly harder. The reason is that the Americans obviously want to protect the jobs for American workers first, and then allow foreign workers to be able to collect on some other jobs that may still be available.
You know, when I saw this change, I think it was 9/11. Is that right, Larry? Since then, or
9/11 was a big catalyst, but I think that the bigger catalyst has been the economic downturn of 2007, and you know that has been the biggest issue with regard to the unemployment situation.
We have here Mr. Larry Behar. Live from Fort Lauderdale. Is that right? Fort Lauderdale. Is that right?
Yes.
And the 89 degree weather?
Not quite 89, maybe 82. Not quite 89. We're going to hit 89 during the summer for sure, but not right yet.
Larry,
yet.
That's where I'm going for Passover. By the way, what is the procedure to obtain an immigrant investor visa?
What is the procedure?
Yeah, to obtain the immigrant or the EB-5 investor visa. What are the procedures?
Oh, the best procedure, first of all, whether it's with us or another law firm, is to consult somebody who's qualified in EB-5 work. It's a very specialized area of immigration law. It's full of twists and turns, and very, very important that you get the right information. The attorney will, in turn, ensure that the regional center into which you're investing has a solid track record of success and history, so that you are not going into a blind pool, if you will, so that the chances of preserving your capital is high, and number two, that you have a reasonable expectation of getting your capital returned to you. Now, the interesting thing is that the qualification for the investors are relatively low, so long as the individual does not have a criminal record of any consequence and has an ability to demonstrate where the funds came from through a source of funds and path of funds analysis, then they should be eligible to be able to apply to becoming a resident of the United States through the EB-5 program. Many of our clients are retirees or people who are looking to establish themselves here without having to open up their own business and running the risk of opening their own business. So they put it into the hands of a third party, and usually one that has a solid track record of success, both in the EB-5 world and on a commercial level.
Thank you for listening. I look forward to presenting more EB-5 interview highlights in the coming segments.